Hey y'all, it's Shelly. So I wanted to hop on here and show you this recovery kit that I got. So it had the toe strap, and then it has the snap block, and then it has the two little, I guess shackles you could call them, but they're in place of the metal type shackles that usually come with a recovery kit. And then it comes with a storage bag so you can put everything in it and throw it in the back of your truck, or in our case, our side-by-side. So we go riding in our very large side-by-side. It's a four-door Kawasaki one, so we always like to throw a recovery kit in just in case we get stuck, or if somebody else is stuck, and we can help them out, because we do have the winch on the front. So we wanted to try it out at home to make sure that it would be strong enough and everything to pull the larger side-by-side out if we did get stuck. So we did wrap the large strap around the tree, and then we got that in place, so we got it pretty low, and then we put the snap block around the cable from the cable from the winch around the snap block, and then we hooked the snap block to the strap with the two, I keep wanting to call them like a coupler, because that's what we've always used them before, or the clips, but we did use those, and I like the rope type better because it makes it not so heavy. So that was a plus. And then it did the job. It did what it was supposed to do. It pulled the side by side just like it should. So we would definitely recommend it.